Okay, so we're going to talk about some of the key takeaways from yesterday's lesson where we learned that the function we were looking for in the problem was 2 to the g of x, or I'm going to write y just for today, equals x. Could also be rewritten in a log function form where y equals log of base 2 to the x. All right, so if we notice what things changed and what things kind of stayed the same. So logs are really weird, okay? And it's just a way to ask a specific question. The question here being 2 to the what power will give me the y. And that sounds really weird, and it'll get more familiar over time. But for now, let's look at what things changed. Well, we can see that the 2 here kind of stayed as the base. This is going to be the base of a log function. But what happened to both the x and the y? Well, they kind of do this like swap thing. So one goes here and one goes here. And we added the big new word in our life, which is log, okay? And this is the really important part. All right, so now that we know this, our base stays the same, right? The log gets added if it wasn't there, or it gets removed if it is there. So we can swap from one way to the other way. I'm going to give this some formal letters for you guys. And we're going to do it like this. So if I had b, the base, to the y power, that's going to equal x. And if I switch it into a log, then I have y equals log base of b to the x. And you're going to use this information to switch the following 4 problems. When you get done, please load the next video.